Tired of earbuds that just don't fit right or sound flat? EarPods with a lightning connector are designed to change that. Unlike traditional circular earbuds, these are shaped to match the geometry of your ear, delivering a more comfortable fit for a wider range of users. That means less fuss and more enjoyment every time you listen. What really sets these EarPods apart is their speaker design. Engineered to maximize sound output while minimizing sound loss, they deliver crisp, high-quality audio that brings your music, videos, and calls to life. Whether you're on a busy street or relaxing at home, you'll notice the difference in clarity and richness. One standout feature is the built-in remote on the cord. It lets you adjust volume, control music or video playback, and answer or end calls with just a pinch. No need to reach for your device, which keeps your experience seamless and hands-free. Plus, these EarPods work with any device that has a lightning connector and supports iOS 10 or later, including iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touches. Here's a real-world example. A user bought these EarPods for her mother in her 80s. The microphone's clarity helped her mother's soft voice project clearly, making conversations easier and less tiring. This simple upgrade encouraged more frequent calls with friends because hearing and being heard became effortless. That's what you get: clear communication and renewed connection. If you value comfort and sound quality in your everyday listening, these EarPods are worth a look. They're not just an accessory, they improve how you experience sound and stay connected. The design alone reduces discomfort during long use, while the audio performance keeps you engaged with every note and word. Ready to upgrade your earbuds? The EarPods with lightning connector offer a reliable, user-friendly solution that fits right in with your Apple devices. Whether you're replacing worn-out earbuds or seeking better sound and comfort, these deliver consistent results you can count on. Try them when you're ready to hear the difference for yourself. With top reviews praising their acoustics and ease of use, they're a straightforward choice for anyone looking to enhance their audio experience without hassle or guesswork.